Okay students, now coming to the next question. What is our next question? A expression is given to us and we have to find out this expression lies in which interval. Okay. Now, first what is given to us? In the numerator 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1 up to 2011 square plus 1, and similarly pattern is following in denominator 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1 up to 2011 square minus 1. So we can see from here what is Sn. We know Sn will be summation of Tr, where R will be 1 to n. Means what is the Sn? T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn, means sum of n terms. Okay. Now, first we will write here general term. So what is our general term? What is the pattern here? R square plus 1 upon R square minus 1, R square plus 1 upon R square minus 1. So what is our Tr? R square plus 1, okay, I don't know how many terms are here. If we say here total terms will be 2010 because starting from 2 square up to 2011 square. Okay. So here sum will be, we will not write Sn because here total terms will be 2010. This is first term, this is second term. So we can say this is sum of 2000 terms are here. Here n will be 2010. Okay. Sum of 2000 terms. Okay. R square plus 1 upon R square minus 1, where R is starting from the 2, where R is starting from the 2, and what will be the last term? Last term will be 2011, and we know from R equal to 2 to, okay, suppose this is first term. When we getting first term? When we put R equal to 2. This will be second term, this is third term, this will be 2010 terms. Okay. The sum of 2010 terms are here. Okay. Now, but we are starting from here R equal to 2. Okay. Now, we can change this function by, we can write here R square minus 1 plus 2 upon R square minus 1. Okay. After solving this, what will you get? R square minus 1 upon R square minus 1, that will be 1, plus 2 upon R square minus 1. So we can factorize R minus 1 into R plus 1. Okay. Now again we can write summation R will be 2 to 2011 into 1 plus 2 times summation R will be 2 to 2011. Okay. Now we can factorize this, that will be 1 upon R minus 1 minus 1 upon R plus 1. Okay. Now see how we will calculate this by this. Okay. Suppose here is given 2 upon R minus 1 into R plus 1. Okay. If I take 2 common, okay, if I write first factor minus second factor, then what will you get? If I take LCM here, what will you get? R minus 1 into R plus 1. Then R plus 1 minus times R plus 1 means you will get another 2 here. So we will divide by 2 here. Okay. Means this expression and this expression are equal, because if I take LCM here, what will you get? R plus 1 minus R plus 1 divide by R minus 1 into R plus 1 into 2 by 2. R and R will be cancelled out, 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So we can see this function and this function is equal. Okay. Now again come to the question. Okay. Now from here r equal to 2 to 2011, there are 2000 terms, 2010 terms means 111, how many times? 2010 times. So we can write here 2010 plus 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Now I will apply here from r, I will put the value r equal to 2 to 2011 here. If I put r equal to 2 here, what will you get? 1 upon 2 minus 1, that will be 1, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, that will be 1 by 3. If I put r equal to 3 here, if I put r equal to 3 here, what I will get? 1 by 3 minus 1, that will be 2, 1 upon 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Similarly, if I put r equal to 4 here, what I will get? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Similarly, if I put r equal to 2010, then 1 upon 2009 minus 1 upon 2010. If I put r equal to 2011 here, sorry 2010 put, then 2009 minus 2010 minus 1, that will be 2009, 2010 plus 1, that will be 2011. Similarly, if I put 2011 here, what I will get? 1 upon 2010 minus 1 upon 2012. Okay. Now from here, you all can see here, what is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will be cancelled out, and in next terms we will not get 2 in denominator. So we can see 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will be cancelled out, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will be cancelled out. Next 1 by 4 will be cancelled out, 1 by 5 will be cancelled out. Similarly, what will remaining here? First term and third term. So we can say if first and third term will remain here, okay, so we can say from here is also first term and means last term and last to third term will remain here, means all other will be cancelled out. So this will be last term and last to third will be this. So what will we get? 2010 plus, okay, because this series follow some pattern. If first term will remain here, then last term will remain. If first and second term will remain here, then last and second last. If first and third, then last and last to third. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2011 plus 1 upon 2012. These are very small number, approximately 0.00 something, 0.005 something. Okay. 2010 plus 1, that will be 2011. Our all options from starting from 2011 or 2010. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 minus some number, some positive number. Okay. Now from here we can say that is 2011 plus 1 by 2 minus some number, and that number is less than 1 by 2, minus 2011 plus 1 by 2 minus this number is less than 1 by 2, means after solving these two we will get something 0 point something, means some positive value but less than. What will get here? Some positive value, okay, some positive value but less than 1 by 2. Okay. So we can say what value we will get? 2011 plus something 0.01, 0.02. Okay. Now what will be our answer? Approximately 2011 point something, but not greater than 1 by 2. Okay. So what will your answer? Our answer will lies between 2011 and 2011 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So our answer will be option number